At Clean Home Power Washing, we believe your home deserves the highest standard of care. As a beacon of quality in the greater Charlotte area, we've built our reputation on exceptional service. What sets us apart? It's our unwavering commitment to quality and environmental responsibility. Our soft wash technique safely removes dirt, grime, and organic growth, protecting both your property's value and your family's health. Throughout Charlotte and surrounding communities, homeowners trust us because we deliver results. We document every job with before and after photos, and with over 500 five-star reviews, you can be sure you will receive unmatched service. Our foundation is deeply rooted in the golden rule, treating your home as if it were our own. Ready to transform your home's appearance? Fill out our form today for a free estimate and discover why Clean Home Power Washing is the Carolina's most trusted exterior cleaning service. Taking the hassle out of cleaning your castle. That's the clean home difference.